Here's another parcel that I've managed to arrive this morning, and this is going to be very useful. These are all these little Wago connectors for wiring up all the things that I need to do. These are fancy little clips. These were a bargain. Each one of these, if you buy them individually, is probably about £1. But I got all this lot for I think about £5. Marvellous. And they're just little clips. So you just lift the thing up, pop your wire in, and it clips down and makes a connection. Marvellous. Okay, thank you.